everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to become a business analyst and don't know where to start, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss the complete roadmap for becoming a business analyst in 2025. Let's start with discussing who is business analyst and what are the roles and responsibilities of the business analyst. Well, think of business analysts as problem solvers. They help companies tackle challenges using data and technology. They act as a bridge between business teams and IT teams. For example, imagine an e commerce company struggling with low sales. A business analyst steps in, analyzing customer behavior, website performance, and competitor strategies. Based on their insights, they suggest improvements that boost revenue. In simple words, a business analyst helps businesses make smarter decisions using data. Now, let's discuss roles and responsibilities of business analyst. First one is a business analyst gather and document business requirements. A business analyst works closely with stakeholders to understand their needs and challenges. They document those requirements in a structured way, mainly through business requirement documents or user stories, so that IT teams and developers can build solutions using those documents. Next one is analyze and interpret data to find trends. As we know, data is at the heart of business decisions. Business analysts use tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau to analyze data, identify trends, and extract meaningful insights. These insights help business make informed choices about strategies, products, or services. Third one is work with stakeholders to implement solutions. Business analysts act as a bridge between business teams who know what they want and IT teams who know how to build the solution. They facilitate decisions, ensure smooth communication, and help translate business needs into technical solutions. Business analysts also improve business processes using technology. They identify inefficiencies in current processes and suggest ways to optimize them using automation, data driven insights, or new software. For example, they might recommend a CRM tool for sales team to improve customer tracking and engagement. Next one is they help in creating reports and dashboards for decision making. They create reports and interactive dashboards using tools like Power BI, Tableau, or even Excel. These visualizations help managers and executives track performance, spot issues, and make data backed decisions. We can take an example. A business analyst in a bank may analyze loan applications to find trends in loan approvals and defaults. By understanding what factors contribute to high default rates, they can suggest changes to approval criteria, reducing financial risk for that bank. Ultimately, we can say the role of business analyst is to make process faster, more efficient, and make the businesses more profitable. There are are four different types of business analyst. First one is IT business analyst, second one is financial analyst, third one is marketing analyst, and last one is data analyst. If you want to become a business analyst in 2025, you need to know Excel for data analysis and reporting. Then you need to know Power BI or Tableau for data visualization. You also need to know documentation for preparing business documents, and you need to know SQL or Python. SQL or Python is optional for business analysts. As a business analyst, working with data is a huge part of the job, and that's where Excel comes in. It is not just about making tables, it is about using formulas, data cleaning, visualization to draw meaningful insights from the data. Formulas like sum, count, average help with basic calculation, while VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match make searching for data effortless. If you are dealing with conditions, if, countif, sum if are very useful. These formulas save time and make the analysis faster. Also, data cleaning and formatting is very important. A messy data set can lead to bad decisions. So, knowing how to remove duplicates, apply conditional formatting, and use data validations help keep things accurate and easy to read. At the end of the day, Excel is not just a tool, it is a must have skill for any business analyst. And if you want to make it better, you need to practice it more and more. Data is powerful, but only if it is easy to understand. That's where data visualization come in. As a business analyst, you will use tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Excel charts to turn raw data into clear, insightful dashboards. Why it is important? Imagine a company tracking sales performance. Instead of scanning through endless rows of numbers, a well designed dashboard can instantly show trends, problem areas, and opportunities. There are some common dashboards which include sales performance tracking, see which products or regions are doing well, then financial reports, which is used to understand revenue, expenses, and profit trends, customer analytics, which helps to identify buying patterns and customer behavior. A great dashboard helps businesses make faster, data driven decisions. You need to work on real world projects to build experience. Guesstimates are very common in business analyst interviews. These are the questions like how many ATMs are there in India, how many delivery boys are there in India, how many pens are there over the country. So these type of questions are called guesstimates, and these questions are often asked in business analyst interviews. So this was the whole roadmap for business analysts. If you want to know more about any one section, or if you want a detailed video on this, let me know in the comment section. If you want a detailed video on any part of this, let me know that as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in another video.